Hey guys, Chris here from Metz Machines, your one-stop shop for motorcycles. We're standing here today on the eve of the first Friday the 13th of the year. It's pretty exciting for me. I don't know about you. Tomorrow we got Flat Track Friday happening up at the Pfizer Forum. I'm going to be there. Hopefully see some of you guys there. It'd be awesome. But at any rate, I wanted to talk to you guys about the weather that we've been having for the last couple of weekends. It's been awesome. I've been hearing motorcycles roaring out there, but not as many as I would wish. So I'm wondering if you guys haven't had your services done or anything like that. We do have stuff available for you. We have oil changes, we can do engine swaps, we can do minor repairs, we can do customization, whatever you want us to do. This little video is going to show you some of the stuff that we do as far as our part out process, our service process, and all our bike sales. If you like what you see, check out the links that are going to be either here, or ish somewhere in there, or otherwise in the comments below you'll see the links for our website, eBay page, and all that. Let us know what you think. Give us a call and order parts from us. Take it easy.